Okay. And then the mammogram is on July 26th. Yes, okay. Alright. Thanks, Ellie. Alright. Have a good one. Okay, bye.
I think it's from her donut. She looks mad. Bothered me. I'm sleepy.
Nana. Nana. I have your good pencil. Is this yours? Here, I'll- Yeah, I have it.